Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to upload your website on Hostinger. Once you're logged into your Hostinger account, go to Websites, click on Dashboard. My website is called benstestinghosting.com, and as you can see, it is completely empty. To upload your website, just go to Files, then File Manager, and click on Access Files of your website. Click on this folder called Public HTML. Delete any files like shop or default. Then go to Upload. Upload your file. Locate your website file or files in your computer. In my case, my website have one page called index.html. If your website have multiple files, I recommend you to go with one compressed file. In my case, I will go with my HTML file. And like that, as you see, my website is completely uploaded. If your website is large or you have multiple files, I recommend you to use FTP programs instead of the file manager way. The program I will be used and I recommend you is FileZilla. You need your FTP credentials. To get them, go under Files, click on FTP accounts. This is your FTP IP, then your FTP username. If you don't remember your password, just go to change FTP password and enter your new password. Then click on Quick Connect. Now you are connected to your website. Delete any previous files, and from this window on the left, locate your compressed website file on your computer, then drag it like that. When your website is transferred successfully, head down to your Hostinger website, locate the file manager tool, access it again to extract your uploaded file like that. Extract, index, give your folder a name. This is the folder. This is my website files. Now I need to move them to the public HTML folder instead of my new created folder. I will select this first file, then move. And now, and like that, I have my website files in my public HTML folder. Here, tutorial is here. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.